At Chapin Hall, we believe that inclusivity is the strongest foundation for impactful research and policy. A bedrock of that foundation is being a completely remote workforce. For our staff, this policy underscores our commitment to flexibility and work-life balance. For the organization as a whole, it allows us to tap into diverse talents from across the nation. For our partners, it means greater access to experts in their part of the country who understand their unique operational climate. So, whether you're at home, in a coffee shop, or traveling, your office is wherever you are.
When I plan vacation time, I used to have to just block a period where I would have to make sure that I had to get all my work done. And now I'm able to go and travel to see friends, and they are also working from home. So it's kind of helpful that we both work, and then in the afternoons we'll spend time together. So I feel like traveling more is now like visiting a friend down the street, where I can just, after we're done working, we could have a chat, be able to see each other. I have friends in California and El Paso where I've been able to just take my computer with me, and they're working at the same time I'm working, and it doesn't get in the way of me being able to still do my work, but rather it kind of gives me that flexibility to see friends I wouldn't normally see every day.
Remote work has allowed me to maintain connections, in particular with one person who I met 10 years ago at a student-led civic engagement conference in Budapest. And this individual is now living on the East Coast, and I was able to go to a concert together with her, which we bonded over this sort of indie music artist when we were in Budapest 10 years ago. And so now that was a great experience to be able to travel to New York City, see a concert in the Bowery Ballroom, and then the next day work from a New York City cafe, so without taking too much time off work.
Working from home has really helped with my family dynamics because both my spouse and I are both busy working professionals and caregivers. And working from home enables me to finish my work completely, have time to start the slow cooker, and get my daughter to piano practice at 5:45 without having to waste time commuting, and to be in my home community the entire time, which is something I tremendously value. And to be honest, it would be hard for my family to function without that flexibility and convenience, given the number of things that we need to juggle.
The biggest thing about working remotely and dealing with my daughter is that when you have a child, even if it's an adult child with mental health challenges, you just never know when a crisis is going to come. And so I have been able to still continue to support her in those times when she's had mental health crisis. I know that I could not have done my job if I did not have that flexibility. And I'm very fortunate. There are a lot of parents that I've run across who have lost jobs or seem like uninvolved parents because they're not able to take calls or they can't leave. And they seem like they're parents who, as some people say, don't care. It's not that I don't care. I still have to provide. And so working remotely has given me the opportunity to still successfully show up for my kid, my family, but then also still do my job effectively and well.
Chapin Hall,